magbabalik ako. And eto na, gagawa ko ng play button kasi happy 30 subscriber! And congratulations! 30 subscriber na tayo, guys. Gagawa tayo ng play button para alaala nung 30 subscriber ako. Kaya, let's go. So yun guys, ito na yung mga gagamitin ko. Ito yung kanang leche flat. Tapos, glue. Gunting. Colored paper. Carton. At spray paint na kulay red. Kulay black. Una ay i-spray muna natin to. So yung mga kapadyak, sprayan na natin ng kulay red to. Lalagyan ng leche flat. Ay, hindi na pala sa video. Sprayan natin ng kulay red. Para pinaring play button. Pag may play button itong gagawin ko, happy 30 subscriber. Ayun, magbabalik ako ng 30 seconds. So mga kapadyak, sprayan na rin natin itong ng kulay itim itong paglalagyan ng gagawin ko. So yun guys, papatayuin muna natin sila. So yung mga kapadyak, i-glue ko lang ito. Ito. Yan. Lagyan natin ng glue para dumikit.
Through all the change and controversy, you've been by my side. There's no army in the world. I would rather give me watch time. It's been a wild ride, so while I can still be heard, here's one last bro fist.
So yan mga kapadyak,
in the world.
takon na natin, ididikit na. Yun, dikit na natin. Parang i-press natin na ganyan para dumikit lalo. Tapos pagkatapos nyan ay ilalagay na natin to. Hindi ko lang alam paano to kung madidikit to eh. So yun, tatry natin sa glue. Alam ko na. Nalagyan natin dito sa loob. Lagyan natin dito sa loob. Tutubi na. Tutubi ng ganyan. Kulang. Dali, magbabalik lang ako. May kukunin lang ako mga kapatid. So, kumuha ulit ako ng ganito. Ito tupi. Para maligit.
ain't nothing wrong like starting your business by selling pirated songs. Oops, didn't think we'd see. It's right there on Wikipedia.
Ay, ito.
I'm sure right now there's nothing that you're doing that's illegal. Yeah, I'm certain that you haven't had collusions with the mafia. For legal reasons, that's a joke. For legal reasons,
Dali, may problema pa.
Indian mafia, please don't kill me, that's a joke. India, I'm sorry, the memes, you're the best. I love my Indian bros, from Bombay to Bangladesh. I'll take on all the world for you, I'm a heavy hitter. About to cause a genocide, so you can call me. Hey, congratulations, it's a celebration. Party all day, I know you've been waiting. Oh yeah, congratulations, it's a celebration. I just wanna tell you that I think that you're amazing.
So yan, ganyan na itsura niya. Glue lang natin kasi wala na tayo ibang materyales. Tapos ilalagay mo na to. Yan.
Problem with me telling them to hold their defecation, but let me educate you, silly. That's not defamation. T-series can eat a dick, still not defamation. Suck my fucking Swedish meat, still not defamation. Did you know that Indians are pooping
Dali
in
na
their
mga
brain?
kapadyak. May kukunin lang ako. Magbabal ka. 540. So yung mga kapadyak, kinuha ko lang itong marker ko. At isusulat ko na.
Maybe all those ads will solve your crippling poverty. But looking at T-series past, I'm guessing not probably. But never mind the poor people, we just hit a party. Just hit a pop some bottles with a 9-year-old army. Not alcoholic cause I had a real problem. But we still out here living like we about to kamikaze. So
Presented.
for sticking with my
To.
channel. Ever since I was a nobody screaming at barrels.
Ito.
Yeah, this is it. It's been an adventure. It's the end of the reign of Felix Arvid Ulf Schallberg. Through all the change and controversy, you've been by my side. There's no army in the world. I would rather give me watch time. It's been a wild ride, so while I can still be heard, here's one last bro fist from the #1 in the world. Differences, but today I just want to tell you, hey, congratulations, it's a celebration. Party all day, I know you've been waiting.
So yun guys. Yan yun. Ginawa kong homemade play bottom. At babalik ka 5, 4, 3. So yan mga kapadyak, yung alaala na nag-30 subscriber tayo sa YouTube at inaasahan ko pa ang inyong mga pag-subscribe, kaya huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, comment, like, at huwag nyo na i-share i-on nyo na lang ang notification bell para laging update sa video. So yun, dito na tinatapos to. Ito remembrance na 30 subscriber tayo sa YouTube. Dito ako natatapos sa mga kapadyak. Kaya subscribe. At may pag-giveaway nga pala tayo kapag nag 1,000 subscriber tayo. So yun, 5, 4, 3,